Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we'll be looking at why CAD is important in industry. CAD is used in many industries. CAD means computer-aided design, and it is a means of communication by persons working in various industries. Examples of these industries that rely on CAD include mechanical engineering, construction, architecture, electronics, or electrical engineering. Architects, engineers, and designers communicate their design thoughts of shape, form, and dimensions of products, buildings, and other engineering structures such as a bridge, and also another example of a project that is made using CAD is in NASA Station. CAD is precise. CAD drawings require neatness and accuracy. CAD drawings encourages precise and visual appealing means of presenting design ideas in the form of drawings. CAD improves your thought process tremendously. Do you want to think in 3 dimensions? Well, a knowledge of CAD enables you to see objects drawn in 3 dimensions, that is, length, width, and thickness. CAD is related to many industrial and construction jobs. CAD is a good start for vocational education. If you want to be working in mechanical engineering, construction, architecture, electronics, or electrical engineering, then a good background in CAD will be beneficial. CAD is a great communication tool for graphics. That is, graphical drawings such as building drawings, mechanical drawings, electrical drawings. CAD is a necessary tool of design, of communicating ideas between professionals working on any project. Such projects include projects in industries, between firms, between countries, in the media, that is, newspapers, magazine, and television. So, CAD is a great graphical communication medium. Review, CAD review. CAD is a necessary aspect in the designing and manufacturing of products. In building construction, CAD is necessary in the design, building, and maintenance of man-made structures such as a building, a bridge, or a skyscraper. CAD review continues. A sound knowledge of CAD will help you to pursue further studies or gain employment in the construction or manufacturing sectors. All right, some questions for you. Having watched the video, here are some CAD questions. Explain 4 reasons why you think a background in CAD will be helpful to you. Also, where is CAD used? In summary, CAD is widely used in many industries. CAD is understood all over the world. There is a widely used saying that a drawing says 1,000 words. Words are difficult to comprehend than drawings and other graphical methods. Hence, since CAD is a computer drawing, it too says 1,000 words. Let us explore how a drawing says 1,000 words. On the screen is the introductory video or screenshot of the video entitled How to Become a CAD Engineer that was made and posted on the CAD with Mr. Hugh Resource Center online. Now, before this video was made, I had to write a script. So I had to research the topic. Then I had to prepare the script. So I had to write up a written script in Microsoft Word. Then when I finished making this video, I made a second video which was related to this video. And can you guess what that video was called or entitled? This was a screenshot, right? How to become a CAD engineer video. How the video was made, right? And what we're doing, we're showing you how a drawing can say 1,000 words, right? With respect to my YouTube video that is posted on the CAD Mr. U Resource Center online. So this was one of the slides that was made in the second video entitled How to Become a CAD Engineer, how the video was made. This was one of the slides, and here it is, number 14. Right? So this is a graphical representation of the script that I wrote in Microsoft Word. Mark is it is a slide showing part of the script, right? But let me show you the script in the next slide, right? So this is the actual script that I read from to make the first video entitled How to Become a CAD Engineer. So here we can see that a drawing is easily understood versus written words, because here I have the script here which I made prior to making the video entitled How to Become a CAD Engineer. This is typed up in Microsoft Word using only words. The icon at the side here that says CAD with Mr. U. This is a screenshot from the actual second video entitled How the Video Was Made, right? But the words here, this was a script that I actually had to write, having done my research on the different resources online, so that I could make the first slide entitled How to Become a CAD Engineer. So I hope this will be able to convince you that a drawing says 1,000 words. Mark, I might not have 1,000 words displayed on the screen, but the words here is just a short clip of the script that was written to make the first video entitled How to Become a CAD Engineer. So perhaps when you have finished watching this video, you could go and watch the other video entitled How to Become a CAD Engineer, which is posted on the CAD Mr. Hugh online resource YouTube channel. And you could also look at how the video was made, and you would see that the second video showed the script, and you would see that the entire video, which was about 5 minutes long, showed the entire script, and then the video now was made around the script, so it would be able to show you that drawing says 1,000 words. And looking on a video which would have pure words like this would not necessarily easily convince the viewer of what entails in a CAD engineer profession or how to become one. All right. So the caption heading for the slides, which were entitled How to Become a CAD Engineer, the summary, meaning how a drawing says 1,000 words, is under the heading in this video, CAD is understood all over the world. Okay? I will be leaving the links to the two videos, one entitled How to Become a CAD Engineer and the other How to Become a CAD Engineer video, how the video was made in the description section below. I would love to know your thoughts about the two videos. So please leave your comments in the in the comment section for both videos and also this video. Thanks for watching the CAD video.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.